Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you to our YouTube channel, which is Ylink Engineering. Today we'll be taking a look at a system of washing our hands, which is a bucket and a tap. Then here in this system, it's just because of the outbreak of coronavirus. We now looked at it critically. We saw that it was not that safe, on the grounds that one opening the tap, one who is believed to be a carrier of the virus, after opening the tap, he or she will still come back to close the tap. So after washing your hands, coming back to close the tap now, you see that whatever you have deposited there, you are still picking it back. So we now looked at it and saw that it was more of a penny-wise, pound foolish stuff, or an elephant project. So we now went into research and we discovered a system which is powered by a DC power supply. So let's take you to the workshop so that you see how it works and everything about it. Thank you. Let's go to the workshop. Welcome back. Here is the system we have. Sorry for not taking you through the production. Sorry for that, but we'll still give you a clue of what we have here. We have a DC motor here. We have a tap. Then this is the switch wire, and this is the switch itself with other components connected to it. Then this is the power supply, which is a 5 volts power supply. But for time and other things that we considered, we're using a power bank to run this system. So let's pour water into it and let's show you how it works. Let's connect the power supply to it. This system now has a 5 volts power supply. So this is where the water is expected to come out from. Then this is the switch. As soon as you tap your feet on the switch, the water starts coming out. So you are free to wash your hand. You wash. As soon as you remove your feet on the switch, the water will, the flow of water will stop. Then as soon as you press it again, the water will start running. Then this system makes it at least 85% safer, more than the previous one we showed you in the other video. So here now, as soon as you are washing your hand, you are not touching anything. Once you are through, you remove your leg. As soon as you want to wash again, you tap the switch. So in this system now, you don't have to touch anything. The power bank we're using here is like 30,000 milliamps, which has the ability to power this DC motor for up to 13 to 14 hours. So here, just a brief of what we have here. So here, this is just a simple system. Apart from the power bank, you can also use a normal charger just to reduce cost. You can use a normal charger to also power this system. So thank you. We still remain Ylink Engineering. Please keep subscribing to our YouTube channel. Share our videos to your friends and relations. Thank you.